Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris Menuddin. My magic number DE180191. So today I will present about my industrial training at GSPARX Sdn Bhd. My company name is GSPARX Sdn Bhd and the address is Annex Building 129 Jalan Bangsa 59200 Kuala Lumpur. The contact number for the GSPARX is 130080777828. So this is for my supervisor information, which is Ahmad Tarmizi Muhammad, and the contact number 019 398 1487. So the position at this part is procurement and business continuity management. So the expertise, which is for the business performance and quality promotion, procurement and supply chain, HR admin safety related to the activity, and provide stakeholder management information and planning. Next is job scope for the internship student at this part. The first point, it discuss details about the solar project at UTHM. So basically, the first job scope more provide from the Encik Suhaimi and Encik Tarmizi. The second one is join the webinar season to get the new knowledge of basic electrical and solar system, and this for the more given from the TNB. And the third one is study to design solar panel calculation and drawing. So basically Miss Ranjani was teach us to design the solar panel on rooftop and also the sizing. Next is daily or weekly activity. So the first week, Encik Tarmizi as my supervisor was explained about the company background and also advantage or benefit if we use the solar system to the building. And also Encik Tarmizi was talk about the achievement from this part. And the last one is Encik Tarmizi sharing and talk about the activities along the internship for the student internship. And the next is joint webinar season about the impact of harmonic and electric energy. So in impact of electric energy is more about the overheating of neutral conductor and also increase the energy. In electrical knowledge is most about for the TNB, which is impact electricity supply industry. And in electrical knowledge also have a new technology from the TNB is a large scale for solar from performance management using IoT equipment megavolt. So figure 1 show the season that I will join in the Zoom. The second week is joint meeting with Encik Suhaimi to sharing the equipment commonly used for the solar system. So basically equipment commonly used for the solar system in this part is Trina, which is solar for the solar panel, and also the inverter for the Huawei. And for the inverter Huawei, we use the isolar card or fusion solar to monitor the inverter. So the second one is the joint webinar season about the electric railway system and then basic solar. So basically in a railway system, what I have learned is future railway for the next generation. And we know the history public railway transport in the Malaysia from here from the year until the year. Besides for the learning basic solar is given from the Miss Ziha, which is because she explained about the more to flow of the how to the solar system was generate the electricity, and also he sharing about the demand for the solar panel to the customer. For the week 3, I had joined a webinar season about the power transformer, which is to know the how the transformer function and also the workflow for the transformer. The second one is in webinar season also we sharing about the step up and step down, and the last one is distribution Network Engineering Sem 3. Second one is joint meeting with Ms. Ranjani to design the solar panel by using heloscope. So basically in figure 3 show the activity that we joined with Ms. Ranjani to design the solar panel by using the heloscope. And the blue one is the solar panel. So if the building have a tree behind or beside, we need to sketch the tree. It is because we effect the shadow to the solar panel. So in week 4, I have read the proposal solar project on detached M, or also drawing by given from the Encik Suhaimi. And the second one is when meeting with Encik Atif to show how to detect the problem by using iSolar Cloud. So basically in figure 4, we'll show how to monitor problem by using iSolar Cloud. So basically in figure 4, one of the customer was the AC for the inverter not function. So and that day no collection data, and the solution is initiative will call the contractor to make some repair or maintenance. Second is design solar for the solar panel at the Badminton Academy. So this is actually this is for our task that we will do like this, like figure 3, and also we can calculate the sizing. Second one is joint webinar session about the challenges and problem faced by TNB. So basically in this webinar, mostly TNB was sharing the challenges problem or very or hard experience that we will face to solve the problem. So in week 5, I had joined the webinar session about the ISO 9001 quality management system by given talk Encik Izamil, and also in this the ISO we learn how to apply the ISO in Malaysia. Second one is the webinar session about the fault analysis, how the fault happen, and bad side effect if the fault happen. So basically in this webinar was organized by the TNB, and also do some example calculation with staff TNB. So the figure 5 show the example calculation, the fault analysis. So in week 6, I had joined the weekly meeting with Encik Prabu as a work from site to discuss about the previous meeting and issues on site. Second is the webinar season about the solar cleaning chemical on the solar panel. So basically the materials that we use to clean the dirty on the solar panels, which is Dana solar cleaner. So the tools to clean the dirty on the solar panel, we use the microfiber clothes, and also the spray system, and the last one is by using the sponge. So the last one is week 7. In week 7, I had joined the webinar session about the implementation on working at height WAH, also sharing about the project investment and project timeline. In this webinar also was discussed about the date for the project timeline. Second one is joint weekly meeting with Encik Prabu and contractor to discuss the progress work and issue on site. Second one is joint webinar season about the solar system by Huawei. So basically in this webinar was sharing about the new equipment from the solar by Huawei, and also the specification for the inverter, battery, backup box, also smart optimizer sensor, and the last one is smart dongle. The last one is I have do some recheck for the draft report and logbook before submit to my supervisor faculty. So basically figure 7 show the drawing and equipment for the solar system, by Huawei in the webinar I have joined as a point 3. Next is summary about the experience gained from the internship. From the webinar season, I will get more knowledge and learn some theory about the for analysis and do some example calculation with start TNB, and also join the quiz at the end of the webinar that related with my study, which is electrical engineering. Second one is get the experience to design the solar panel on rooftop building by using helioscope. So basically, this was teach by the Miss Ranjani to design the solar panel on rooftop properly. And also, we need to sketch the tree if the tree nearby from the building, because the shadow will affect to the solar panel. Second, and the last one is learn about how to monitor and collect data from the iSolar Cloud inverter and convert to SI. So basically, the iSolar Cloud system was taught by the NC Active, which is ONN department. He also teach us how to get the data from the iSolar Cloud, which is data for the temperature, irradiance, and also the total power. And somehow, initiative will teach us how to monitor the inverter by using the Fusion Solar. Fusion Solar and iSolar Cloud is a same apps that the GSPARX use. So this is it for the recommendation for company, faculty, and FKA junior. So the first one is recommendation for the company. Please provide more example to design the solar panel on rooftop, and also give us experience to go to the site to see the solar panel in real life. Second one is recommendation for the faculty is please extend the internship period from 4 until 6 months, and this is also can give us new experience and can gain knowledge from the industry. The last one is recommendation for the FKA junior is give some advice and set your physical and mental while work from home because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So that's all from me. Thank you.